Yeah, hello, yes, I welcome you all to my screen. I'm Crypto Lord and I'm the founder of Fando Tech Company. Yeah, so today I want to show you the unlimited arbitrage that you can use to make more than 500% profit on one trade. So people be saying that, oh, he's lying. So I'll be doing it for you to see. But first of all, if you haven't followed me, please follow me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe so that we will vibe more. And please, people are using my name to scam people. I will not be a first person to chat to you about my mentorship. My mentorship, I have the link in the bio, and I also have the link in the description and the comment section as well. Yeah. So today you'll be using the crypto bars and Binance to trade. Yeah. So you see, we're using the coin of BTC. So we're using the BTC to do it. So currently on Binance, BTC is 10400 $15,000. So it means that if you want to get one BTC, you have to spend 103. So you see, it goes up and comes down, it goes up and comes down. Yeah. So right now, if I'm doing video, I want to do it from scratch so that the beginners also will get what I'm trying to say. Because at times I'll be talking a lot and they will not get anything because they want it from scratch. So as a beginner, if you want Binance account, I have Binance link in the description. You can click on it and sign up with my link. Yeah. So after do your registration and verify everything, then you have to deposit or buy USDT so that you can participate in what I'm about to teach right now. So how can you buy it? You have to go to your trade here, and trade here you go to P2P, or you can go to even buy, and you enter the amount that you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 1,000 Ghana cedis. So spend 1,000 Ghana cedis for USDT. I'll be getting 72 USDT, and I'm buying it with mobile money. You see, I'm buying it with mobile money. We have bank transfer, mobile money, and stuff. So you can check anyone that you want, and you click on buy to make your purchase. So when you buy it, the money will be in your funding wallet. So you have to transfer the money from funding wallet to spot wallet so that you can do what I'm about to teach right now. So when you transfer the money from the funding to spot wallet, then you come to your trade. So the trade here, then make sure that it's on BTC USDT. So in this case, we are not buying it from here. You will be buying it from here rather. So here, the BTC over there is 85,921, and on Binance is $104,000. So it means that if we buy it from here and we sell it over there, we are making 18,000 profit if we are using one BTC. So just one trade, you're making profit of what? 18,000. You're making profit of $18,000. Yeah. So because we are beginners, we don't have that kind of money. So we'll be starting with any amount that we want. But one thing about trade is that the higher you invest, the higher profit you will get. Yeah. So it means that if you invest, let's say 1,000, you'll be getting a lot of money from it. So all you have to do is what? Just buy it from here and come and sell it over here. So you after buy it from here, you switch it to sell, and you enter the amount that you want to sell, amount of BTC you want to sell, and then you are on the profit side. So this is how the arbitrage works. Arbitrage is not something difficult. All that you need is what? Right platform and the right coin, the opportunity coin that you want to use. That's it. And if you want to know all these coins, the legit platform, that one, we have a bot that can determine all these things for you, that can show you that, okay, download this app, there's opportunity over there and stuff. That is why I get to know all this platform, because the bots do all the difficult works for me, and I will do just the small part of it, and I'll cash out. Yeah. So today is Monday, and this is what I'll be doing. I'll be using BTC to do it. You can see that I'm even sleeping because I've done a lot of trade today, and in the morning when I wake up, I sleep for, let's say, 3 to 4 hours. Then I'll wake up and I'll continue. So this is the arbitrage opportunity right now using BTC. So if you're on it and if you're on the boat too, you'll get to know it, because like when you click on Binance, like it will give you the exchanges and stuff when you're on the pro on the boat. Yeah. So the boat, if you didn't need the boat is just $40. You can chat me, I'll give the boat to you, but it's not forced for it. If you don't need it, it's okay. You can do your manual this thing, search for the crypto coins, and that one too is good to go. You can search for like exchanges that you can do trade on it. That one too, you're good to go. Yeah. So if you don't need the boats, you can do it manually, and they are all the same. Just that the boats will make the work very easy for you. Yeah. So this how you make 500% profit trading arbitrage using crypto bars and Binance. Yeah, to do it. So you buy it on crypto bars and you come and sell it on Binance and you make your profit. That's it. So thank you for watching me, and please don't forget to subscribe. Chat me for my mentorship. I have